In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize data in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, interactive dashboard that turns your tables into clear, actionable visuals. First, prepare your base. Open the Airtable base that holds the data you want to visualize and make sure it's structured well. Think of each row as a single record, like one task, one transaction, or one customer. Then, double-check your columns or fields. Have the right types. Numbers should be set to number. Dates should use the date field so Airtable recognizes time properly, and categories work best as single select rather than free text. This ensures your charts read the data correctly and prevents hiccups like numbers stored as text. If you need to focus on a subset of data, create or use a view in your table with the filters you care about so the charts stay relevant. Next, open the Interface Designer. Click Interface in the top menu, then select Create New View Interface. Choose the dashboard layout and give it a clear, descriptive name that reflects the story you're telling, like Sales Overview or Operation Snapshot. This is where your charts will live. Quick note before we add visuals. If you're new to Airtable or want to try it out, I've placed a link to the website at the very top of the description so you can get set up quickly. Now, let's add charts. Click Add Element and choose Chart. Pick the table or view that contains the data you prepared. Select the chart type that matches your goal. Use a bar chart to compare categories side by side, a line chart to show trends over time, and a pie chart to display proportions. Assign your x-axis to the category or date field, and choose a numeric field for the y-axis. For time-based lines, use a date field on the x-axis to keep the timeline accurate. When everything looks right, click Done to place the chart on your dashboard. Customize your chart so it's easy to understand. Resize it, drag it into position, and adjust colors or labels to improve readability. Keep a consistent color scheme for related data. Repeat the process to add more charts that highlight different insights, like performance by region, monthly totals, or category breakdowns. When you're happy with the layout, click Done to save the interface. Your dashboard will update automatically as your underlying data changes, so you're always looking at the latest information. Share the interface with your team so they can explore the visuals and stay aligned. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to check the link at the top of the description. And thanks for watching.